Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting radio presets on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to delete radio presets on the Seat Arona infotainment system. Tap the radio button to the left of the infotainment screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap Delete Presets. Now tap on the channel preset that you would like to delete. Tap Delete on the pop-up. That preset will now be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.